Hey everybody, wagwan, welcome back to the channel.
Yeah, don't know, it's Queen Jody
and AP.
Yeah, and we want for sure now this beautiful luxurious compound all the way in Bijilo, you know.
Me I tell you the truth, me have to say, yo, right now, shout out to Gambia Nice of the footage. We couldn't make it personally, but him do it for us, so we are gonna show you right now.
Yeah.
Come like we are watch it on a flat screen. Anyways guys, Bijilo is very beautiful. It's one of like the most sought after location in the Gambia. Bijilo is close to turntables in the Gambia. You know, it's around the hot spot in the Gambia. When you're in a Bijilo, it's kind of like you're surrounded by everything.
Yeah, all amenities where you would need for your survival.
Oh, and the beach, they're right in the vicinity. Like the beach not that far, so all the people are walking distance from the beach. Bijilo area is very close to the beach, so this is wow.
Yeah, this dope AP, man, not lie.
Alright, I could go see inside now. I don't know. Hey. Yeah, family, remember to give the video a thumbs up and share it everywhere. Oh my god, this luxurious compound. I guess that's a security house right there at the front.
It could be a security house, yeah.
It's nice. I like the parking space. I did the first time I see it, I say I like the parking space.
And I love enough tree there.
Well, I can't show that.
Enough tree there on the place, you know.
Mango. Yes, we were told.
Planting space.
Yes, you can even plant more stuff right there. So probably you could even turn yourself into one little garden, like. Yeah. You see it. Yeah. Alright, so we are going in the back. Jody, the grass is green. My god. I like the parking space. I really do like it.
Yeah.
Guys, comment below and let me know if you enjoyed this video thus far. Look on the grass, man. It's well maintained. And that me like with this.
Yes.
And if you can see a little bit of the road outside, it's paved.
Coconut.
So we know with people them concerned about the roads. So outside it looked paved a while ago. So that's very good. Thumbs up.
Yeah.
Wow, they really maintain this good, Jody. Watch it, man. Wow. What do you call them tree? Palm.
No, some kind of palm tree.
We know that one I know they call it Christmas tree. Wow.
And then call them the AP like.
Yeah.
Yo.
I like it.
Some place from out of Egypt.
Me like it. I do like
with
it.
The curve.
Yo, this beginner, Jody. Bomba star. Oh, the dimension is 51 by 60.
So you know, so it's a huge.
I wonder if that's the dimension. I think that's the dimension of just the house. So the land size is actually bigger. So everybody who would have asked for big land space, I think this is one way you can actually buy a big land space. Is actually buy a house. What, Jody? Wait, what?
I want that AP.
I don't want to pull that. Who are they backside? No, sir.
No, are you so nice? Gambia, are you so nice?
Lord of His mercy. $16 million.
Yeah.
$16 million. I don't know how much that is in USD.
$16 million, guys.
But it's nice. The tile look nice too.
Yeah, clean. I love the woodwork.
Yes. Oh, is that a closet?
Yes.
What the fuck? I like, yo. Oh my god, I don't see no closet. This house is full of closet.
Watch it.
Whoa.
I like how the ceiling look AP, man. I like
me too.
the ceiling clean.
Me too. Bathroom look nice. Like
you
the
can
tub.
see your face in a tile, AP. You know, see light a shine in a tile.
I like so the tile actually. What you call that? It's flowing.
Yeah.
I like that. I like this glass there too. It's nice.
Nice dining space.
Yes. So if you guys are wondering about all the people in the house, you know, they're just family members that are showing us the house. Shout out to Gambia Nice for this video. Oh my God. Thank you, bro, for sending us this footage. This room is neat. I love the woodwork. I love the woodwork in the cupboard. It's nice. It's very nice. Oh, more bathroom. I think I like that every room have a bathroom on it. That's very good. Whoa, I like this. The table with the over there. So what you call it?
Chester drawer.
And a Chester jar. It's like a looking glass. I don't know.
Yeah, it have the
I like
mirror.
it. Jody, check this I know.
Balcony. Yeah.
This come like it has some expensive resort. Woo! Look at the view.
Speaking of which,
What?
this place is suitable for a large family, or it can be, as you say, an income earner, where you could be a host for people or events.
That is true.
You
Whoa!
understand?
Yes, that would be nice. The events, really. Yeah.
So you can buy this for your income earner. You
Or
understand?
for your family. I mean,
Or for your family, your large family.
whoa, Jody, watch your man. I love the design. I feel like I'm gonna take a swimming night right now. What am I trying to tell you?
Nah, like.
Oh wow! I love the staircase. The staircase
Yeah.
in the kitchen room there. So I wish we did get return in the kitchen, but yeah, it's not bad. Guys, this is awesome. This is beautiful.
When you see that room here, people.
Oh my God, Jody!
You see that? What are the master of the master bedroom? This you know.
The master bedroom.
Yeah, the master.
Hey, the king bedroom. 2 closets. My goodness of his and once again, I love the tile. I love that the tile is
They
one
put the
color.
bathroom to no AP. No star. AP, this come like a one house alone. The master bedroom here. And bathroom come like a one house alone.
Yeah, I love the bathtub. I love. This is nice. This is very nice. This is extremely
You
nice.
can take bathroom. So guys, when you see the furniture them and stuff in there,
Yes.
once you buy the house, you get everything.
Everything
You
plug
understand?
in.
Everything.
$16
Don't
million.
put all the tissue on the table.
You know, for $16 million, I'm not sure how much that is in USD. You guys have to work it out. But also remember to send us an email at africanpickiney.com or africanpickiney@gmail.com, and we send over the link. We actually put the number for the person after this finish, so you guys can contact them if you want. This is very nice, guys. For 16 million, this is really good.
Yeah.
And you get every single thing in the house, as Jody said. Every single thing. And it's fully furnished. It have solar. I think it have borehole again. It have pool. And
You see the balcony, guys?
this is beautiful.
You see the view?
And the space.
Full of trees and thing. And
Nah,
everybody
tell a lie.
would love to talk about more land with trees.
Yeah, right now let's take a break, guys.
Yes, I can see it. The day when we all shall rise. We shall overcome, no matter how they try to chain me. We shall overcome, yeah. I say no matter how them try to break us in.
Okay, family, so that's it for the tour, the hosting of the drone footage. Shut!
Yes.
Jody said land with trees. This have every trees. And most important, the fruit. Oh my God, you have lots of fruit trees, Jody.
Yeah, the land big AP.
Yeah, watch out.
So yeah, guys, as we said, this is a 51 by 60 luxury compound. You understand? Located all the way in
Bijilo.
Yes, suitable for the large family, or you don't know if you want an income earner.
This is it.
5 bedroom, fully furnished, include pool, adequate parking,
Solar.
no fruit trees, solar, the whole works for only $16 million.
Yeah, reach out. Send us an email at africanpickiney@gmail.com or visit our website at
www.africanpickiney.com
for more info. Love you now. Remember to subscribe to the channel, guys. Share it everywhere. Tell a friend, a family. everybody about this, alright?
Yeah.
Much love to you.
Cause when me try to make a rise, the system want to hold me down. Want success in my life, and me know say me nah go sell out.